right now I've been on a big wave of just efficiency, discipline, and things like that. So I caved, guys. I ordered an espresso machine, and it's gonna go right here next to my little milk frother. But yeah, I'm excited. It's literally in the mail right now. So I'm gonna go pick up my package and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Let's go. Look at that thing. Man, the sun's setting already, man. Look at the sun, it's already going down. Windows are dirty as fuck. They need to clean my windows because it's been nasty. Wow. Let's go. Check this out. I got my espresso cups, I got my coffee cups, I got my cup right here locked and loaded. I'm about to throw this in here as a test. Let's see how it works, y'all. Damn, did I do it right? Let's see. Oh, lock. So I gotta lock it like that. Okay, it's locked and loaded. Now what? Do I just hit the button? Let's fucking go. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We have magic. We in that bitch. Let's go. Oh, that's it. Come on, man. We need a little bit more than that. What the fuck? Okay, some ain't right. All right, I think I messed up, but I'm gonna read the instructions and then we're gonna do that one more time. Okay, so I think these are, so the top row is all basically, yeah, so top row, that's all espresso. So it's only 1.35 fluid ounces. So this pod that I put in the Nespresso, it only put out 1.35 fluid ounces. And then down here, you know, these are double espresso, so 2.7. Grand Lungo basically is 5.07. And then coffee or cafe, a little bit more. We have 7.7 fluid ounces. So I'm actually gonna try this Colombia. I'm gonna try that one. So let's see where it's at. It's this one right here. Boom. So we got the Colombia, and let's try this one more time. So pop it open. So what happens is basically it knows the size of the cup by reading the label. I don't know how they do that. And then, okay, a little rusty, but I'll get better. And then all you need to do is hit it once. So let's see if it looks a little bit more normal. I was basically brewing up espresso. This should be coffee. Oh shit, it's about to overflow. Ah! Oh fuck, it's overflowing, it's overflowing, it's overflowing. Okay. Okay, that is a fucking coffee cup right there, bro. That's insane. I don't think it would have overflowed, but I just got a little nervous. Let's see how it tastes. That's crazy how it foams up. Man, that's some good coffee. I'm very happy with my purchase. Very, very happy. We made it. I'm over here drinking espresso, coffee. My little plate set up. In my opinion, I think a routine is very important to see success in any avenue, right? But especially in the day trading, because when you're in the markets, you have to align yourself when there's volume. You have to understand each trading session, London session, New York session, things like that. And so what helped me out is two things: Atomic Habits, and then this guy named Wes Watson. He's a fitness coach guru guy, and he's really extreme. He's yelling in your face on camera, but he has a lot of truths. And he basically got locked up for 10 years, right? And created a program for himself to stay positive, right? While he was locked up in prison. So he's the only person that actually really motivates me. He's the only person that really moves me, because he has some wisdom that he has attained while he was in prison. And every single day, he actually wakes up at 2:45 a.m., which is crazy. But for me, it rubs off, because he's influencing me to be disciplined and wake up super early. And so now I'm actually waking up at 4:25 a.m. every single day. I eat a quick breakfast, I take my BCAAs, creatine, and then I'll eat like toast with some plain yogurt, things like that. And then I jog to the gym, so it's a 5-minute jog. That's my warm up, and then I get straight to the weights, right? So by the time I'm done with weightlifting, it's around 7 a.m. and I check the charts, and I'm checking out the news. I'm checking everything, right? I'm marking up my charts literally in the gym, because the gym has free Wi-Fi. So I love that part, because now it's like I easily transition into work mode, because now physically I have the pump, I got the blood flowing, I got oxygen running around in my brain, and so I am very alert, and boom, now I'm working, I'm being super productive, I'm looking at the charts. And then so I stay at the gym for another 45 minutes until my body starts cooling down. And then I walk back home, shower up, clean up really quick, and then I get ready for my day job. But let's talk about spirituality. So life is a reflection, right? So whatever type of internal battles you're going through, it's projected out in the world, and you have to really identify how to change yourself internally before the outer world changes, right? And so that has to do with everything. It has to do with money. It has to do with your insecurities. It has to do with a lot of that stuff. So, Neville Goddard, he is a philosopher, and he talks about all that new age spiritual stuff. And it just resonates with me, you know what I'm saying? The other thing that actually resonates and helps me out through the day is Atomic Habits. So I read that book in literally 4 days, and it goes hand in hand with what Wes Watson is preaching. So I made a pretty hefty goal for myself. My goal is $500,000 annually, and there are some weird things that are actually happening right now in my life that is getting me closer to that goal. I have some new opportunities in the corporate world that are coming, and basically it's just gonna be good, let's just say that. Let's fast forward to the nighttime. So, I'm done around like 3 p.m. for the day. So 3 p.m. I'm done for the day. I don't have any work. The markets are closed now, and I want to be able to actually relax and prep for the next day. Here is my diary. So I use an app called Grid Diary. I'll provide the link in the description below, but it's amazing. You can create a custom planner, right? You can prompt yourself to ask yourself any sort of open-ended questions. So mine are like, how do you feel when you wake up? What are you grateful for? What kind of man are you becoming? What would I give up to make my dreams a reality today? Have any of my recent actions moved me closer to my goals? And then right here, the last one is basically a checklist. So I literally go down this checklist every single day, and it's basically to really stay regimented, really to, have a perfect program, right? Your life is a program. So every single day, whether you wake up, do push-ups as soon as you wake up, go to Starbucks, right? Wake up, brush your teeth, whatever your routine is, it's a program. So I created my own program that's gonna help me out with my success for my career. So you know, even though 4:30 sounds very early, there are certain things that I need to do in my life to break outside of the normal shell that I am used to, right? Getting outside of my comfort zone so I can actually grow internally. And in order for me to grow, I just need to be super disciplined. I need to be uncomfortable, and I need to do things that average people don't. So by having that crazy regimented schedule and discipline, it's given me an internal edge that I've never had before. And I'm super, super grateful for that.